Hello, very good morning students. Myself Ekal Shah from ULG Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss subject Mathematics 2 with Unit 6, and our today's topic of the discussion is the solution, power series solution of ordinary differential equation about an ordinary point. So let's start. Our first question is, find the series solution of y dash minus 2xy equal to 0. So let's start the solution. Here y dash minus 2xy equal to 0. So px, that is the multiple of y dash, is 1, and qx, that is the multiple of y, that is minus 2x, right? So since px and qx are both analytic at x equal to 0. So it is an ordinary point of the given equation. Let the series solution of equation 1 about x equal to 0 is y equal to summation n running from 0 to infinity an x raised to n plus equal, this is equal to, if we expand in the number of terms, that is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus up to so on. This is an infinite series. So the first derivative of this equation, that is summation n 1 to infinity an x raised to n minus 1. Please keep remember that here n equal to 1, right, for the first derivative. So substituting this value in equation 1, we have y dash, that is summation n 1 to infinity, here n x raised to n minus 1 minus 2 times, see this is 2 times x into y. So 2 times x, and value of y is summation n 0 to infinity an x raised to n equal to 0, right? So summation n 1 to infinity and an x raised to n minus 1. If I keep this x and x raised to n base is same, so we get the add of the power. So 2 summation n 0 to infinity an x raised to n plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so to obtain common power, in each term putting n minus 1 is equal to m plus 1. In the first term, we get summation m is equal to minus 1 to infinity m plus 2 a m plus 2 x raised to m plus 1 minus 2 times summation n 0 to infinity an x raised to n plus 1 equal to 0. Since m is a dummy variable, so replace m by n. Okay, and replacing m by n, we have summation n equal to minus 1 to infinity. Here n plus 2 an plus 2 x raised to n plus 1 minus 2 times summation n 0 to infinity an x raised to n plus 1 equal to 0. So here both the initial points are different. So I am putting here n equal to minus 1 in this first term, and by putting n equal to minus 1 in first term, I have just a1. Then I am writing summation n 0 to infinity an plus 2 an plus 2 x raised to n plus 1 minus 2 times summation n 0 to infinity an x raised to n plus 1 equal to 0. Equating the constant, and the coefficient of x raised to n plus 1 both sides, we have a1 equal to 0 and n plus 2 an plus 2 minus 2an equal to 0, where n is greater than or equal to 0. By putting an plus 2 as a subject, we have 2 upon n plus 2 an, where n is greater than or equal to 0. So putting n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, our first term a2, that is a0, right? If I put here n equal to 0, then I have a2, and 0 plus 2 is 2, so both 2 will be cancelled, so a2 equal to a0. By putting n equal to 1, I have a3, and that is 2 by 3 a1. But as the value of a1 is 0, right? Here a1 is 0, so a3 is also 0, because a1 equal to 0. By putting n equal to 2, a4 is 2 by 4 a2, that is 1 half a2, so a0 by 2. Now a5 is 2 by 5 a3, which is 0. a6, that is 2 by 6 a4, and a4 is a0 by 2, so both will be cancelled, and here a0 by 6, and so on. So substituting in equation, substituting in equation 1, in equation 2, right? So y equal to a0 plus a0 x square plus a0 by 2 x raised to 4 up to so on. If I keep a0 common, 1 plus x square plus x raised to 4 by 2 factorial plus x raised to 6 by 3 factorial up to so on. So this is the power series solution of the given differential equation. Let's move with one more example, and that is the find the series solution of y double dash plus y equal to 0. Here your p0x is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0 at x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is an ordinary point. The series solution of equation 1 about x equal to 0 that is y summation n running from 0 to infinity a n x raised to n, that is here a0 plus a1x plus a2x square up to so on. Now y dash, that is summation n 1 to infinity a n n x raised to n minus 1, and y double dash summation n 2 to infinity a n n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 2. So substitute all value in equation 1. Substitute all values in equation 1, and that is summation n 2 to infinity n minus 1 a n x raised to n minus 2 plus summation n 0 to infinity a n x raised to n equal to 0. To obtain a common power of each term, putting n minus 2 is equal to m in the first term, we get summation m equal to 0 to infinity, here m plus 2 into m plus 1 a m plus 2 x to the power n plus summation n 0 to infinity a n x raised to n equal to 0. Since m is dummy variable, replacing m by n in first term. So summation n 0 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 a n plus 2 x to the power n. This is n, right? So x to the power n plus summation n 0 to infinity a n x to the power n equal to 0. Equating the coefficient of x raised to n both sides, we have n plus 1 n plus 2 a n plus 2 plus a n equal to 0, where n greater than or equal to 0. So a n plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon n plus 1 n plus 2 into a n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. So putting n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, first a2 by putting here minus 1/2 a0. So here minus 1 upon 2 factorial a0. a3, that is minus 1 upon 2 dot 3 a1. So minus 1 upon 3 factorial a1. a4, that is minus 1 upon 3 dot 4 a2, that is 1 upon minus 1 upon 4 factorial a2 up to so on, right? So substituting in equation y equal to a0 plus a1x minus 1 by 2 factorial a0 x square minus 1 by 3 factorial a1 x cube plus 1 by 4 factorial a0 x raised to 4 plus up to so on, right? This is this one is plus here, right? So if I keep a0 common, I have 1 minus 1 upon 2 factorial into x square plus 1 upon 4 factorial into x raised to 4 up to so on plus a1 x minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial minus up to so on. So a0 cos x plus a1 sin x. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Find the series solution of y double dash equal to 2y in power of x. So let's start the solution. Here y double dash is equal to, this is 2y dash, right? This one is dash. So y double dash is equal to 2y dash. So y double dash minus 2y dash equal to 0. So p0x is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0 at x equal to 0. Hence x equal to 0 is an ordinary point. Let the series solution of equation 1 in power of x, that is y equal to summation n 0 to infinity a n x raised to n, here a0 plus a1x plus a2x square up to so on. This is my equation 2. Now y dash is summation n 1 to infinity a n x raised to n minus 1, and for y double dash summation n 2 to infinity a n n minus 1 x to the power n minus 2. Now substitute in equation 1, we have summation n 2 to infinity n, this is n minus 1 a n x to the power n minus 2 minus 2 times summation n 1 to infinity, here n a n x to the power n minus 1 equal to 0. To obtain a common power in each term, putting n minus 2 is equal to m minus 1 in the first term. So summation n equal to m equal to 1 to infinity, here m plus 1 into m a m plus 1 x to the power n minus 1 minus 2 times summation n 1 to infinity n a n x to the power n minus 1 equal to 0. Since m is dummy variable, replace m by n. So here summation n 1 to infinity n plus 1 n an plus 1 x to the power n minus 1 minus 2 times summation n 1 to infinity n an x to the power n minus 1 equal to 0. Equating the coefficient of x raised to n minus 1 in each term n plus 1 an plus 1 minus 2 times n an equal to 0 where n is greater than or equal to 1. So by putting an plus 1 as a subject, 2 times n upon n into n plus 1 an where n is greater than or equal to 1. So both n will be cancelled. Here an plus 1 is equal to 1 upon n plus 1 an where n is greater than or equal to 1. So putting n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on, first value of a2, that is 1/2 a1, and that is this one is 2, right? So this is just a1, a2 is equal to a1. a3 is 2 by 3 a2, and your a2 is a1, so 2 by 3 a1. a4 is 2 by 4 a3, and 1/2 a3 is 2 by 3 a1, so this is cancelled. Here 1 by 3 a1, so on. Substituting in equation 2, and that is this one is equation 2. Here y equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus 2 by 3 a1 x cube plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 a1 1 by 3 a1 x raised to 4 up to so on. So a0 plus, if I keep a1 as a common, then x plus x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1/3 x raised to this is x cube, this is x raised to 4 up to so on. So this is the power series solution of the given differential equations. Students, this is the most important topic. Every year at least 2 examples from this method is asked in G2 exam. So please go through all the exam. Feel free to contact me for any query. Till that, enjoy the study. Thank you.